in December of 2014, there were no further deposits or withdrawal.
Ati uthi umshushisi ngemagama usungo December ngomnyaka 2014 kade kungekho la wakhipha khona imali noma la kade ufaka khona imali.
In January of 2015, there were no deposits or withdrawals.
Bathi futhi nangonyaka kaJanuary ke ngomnyaka 2015 kade ungayifakile imali noma awukazi uyikhipha imali.
In February of 2015, there were no deposits or withdrawals.
Bathi futhi ngoFebruary ngomnyaka 2015 kade ungayikhiphile imali noma awukazi uyikhipha imali noma awukazi uyifake futhi imali kwibhange lakho. I am listening.
And part of March up until 19 March 2015.
Besiqaleni kaMarch yakwazi kwenziwe lutho ke kuze kufike la nge-19 zaka March ngomnyaka ka2015. I am listening.
Do you agree that that is what the bank statement from Nedbank shows? That for those months, December 2014, January 2015, February 2015, and part of March 2015, there were no deposits or withdrawals.
Umshushisi uthi ngabe uyakuvuma yini ukuthi kuleli khasi le banga leStandard Bank akukho la kutshengisa khona mhlawumbe ukukhombisa khona ukuthi imali kade uyikhiphile noma ukuthi ufake imali ngoDecember kamnyaka 2014 na ngoJanuary kamnyaka 2015 February 2015 bese nesiqaleni kaMarch kuze kufike ilanga lela nge-19.
Phela ukukhumbuza umshushisi leli card leli belisetshenziswa umbali leli card leli bekungeli kambali belisetshenziswa umbali mari bengelami and akhumbule umshushisi ukuthi into ayenzile la udonse ama withdrawal yena akunama deposit avelayo la ama withdrawal kuphela avela la angazi mayikhuluma ama deposit ukuthi ukhuluma ngawo kuphi kule nto le ayivezela umshushisi uveza ama withdrawal kuphela avela la akunama deposit avelayo la.
I would like to remind you, my lord, that this bank card was mine. However, it was with Mbali, and she was the one who was doing all those transactions. And bear in mind again, amongst all these transactions that are depicted on this page from the Nedbank, there is nowhere where it stipulates, nor where it states that some of the money was being deposited into this bank account. It only depicts cash withdrawals only.
But
so I would humbly like you to show me where it states not depicts cash deposits.
Yes, but sir, do you agree that there were no transactions for those periods that we mentioned?
Uthi umshushisi uthi ngabe yakuvuma yini ukuthi la malana nesikhathi esikhulume ngaso akukho okuvelile.
Cha angivumi engakuvuma ukuthi akuna withdrawal eyenzakele aya ama transaction ngithi umuntu mayifaka imali kuyenzeka afaka imali kodwa la akuvele kokufaka kwemali akuvela ukuthi imali ikhishiwe ngesikhathi esiso endaweni esiso kuphela.
No, I am disputing that. However, what is being depicted here, it only shows that the money was being withdrew. It does not state that the money was being deposited into this account.
So do you then, Mr. Sibia, agree that for the period December 2014, January 2015, February 2015, and part of March, before 19 March 2015, there were no further withdrawals for those periods?
Umshushisi uthi ngabe yakuvuma yini ukuthi uqala ngenyanga kaDecember ngomnyaka ka2014 bese uphele kumnyaka ka2014 uqale kumnyaka omusha ka2015 uJanuary bese uFebruary kamnyaka ka2015 bese uMarch ka2015 iqaleni akukho la kade kukhishwa khona imali noma kade kufaka khona imali.
La sikhuluma ngokukhipha kuphela sikhulumi ngokufaka imali into evelile la kuvela ukuthi imali ikhishwe kuphi ngesikhathi esiso ngelanga eliso akukho la kuvela khona imali ifakiwe noma ayifakwanga.
My lord, here we only speak of cash withdrawals. That is what is being depicted on this, and then it also depicts the cash withdrawals, the dates, times, and the places where those cash withdrawals were made. However, it does not depict a cash deposit into this account.
Yes,
angikwazi ukuvuma into engingayiboni ngoba ayikho akunama deposit la kunama withdrawal kuphela.
Therefore, I cannot admit to something that I don't see. Because of here, it only depicts a cash withdrawals only. There is nowhere in which it depicts cash deposits.
And umshushisi ushilo yena ukuthi bahambe bayocela ama withdrawal and ama withdrawal akhona awanakho ukuthi uma sidrawa i1000 kusala mhlambe i500 ebank ibalance yakhona uma sidrawa i100 mhlambe kusala 300 asinayo lonto leyo la sinokuthi nje ukhipha imali wakhipha imali engaka akunakho ukuthi uma ukhipha imali engaka kusala imali engaka uma ukhipha imali engaka kusala imali engaka kuleli phepha engiliphethe la akukho kuveza lokho.
And once more, my lord, on this exhibit, it only depicts or shows the cash withdrawal. However, it does not depict or show the bank balance after performing those cash withdrawals. For an example, if I were to withdraw 1,000 rand from the account, it does not depict the amount that is left inside the bank account as the bank balance.
yes, but what we have put to you, Mr. Sibiya, is that do you agree that on the spreadsheet, Exhibit E5, that for the periods that we've mentioned, there are no cash withdrawals. December 2014, there's no cash withdrawal after the 28th of November 2014. For January 2015, there's no cash withdrawal. For February 2015, there's no cash withdrawal. And for March, up until 19 March 2015, there are no cash withdrawals. That's what we are putting to you.
Umshushisi athi-ke Sotobe into ebeka ku ilandelayo ukuthi ngabe uyavuma yini ukuthi ngemuva kwelanga lange-28 zakaNovemba ngomnyaka ka-2014 wagcina lapho-ke ukhipha imali kepha akazi kukhishwe imali ngaphakathi kwebhanki kwe-account lakho kuqala ngoDisemba ngomnyaka ka-2014 besithi January kamnyaka ka-2014 15 January 2015 or February 2015 nango March ngo-2015 kuze kugcine elangeni lange-19 zakaMarch ngomnyaka 2015 lapho ekhishwa khona imali engango-150 rand ngaphansi kwendawo yase-Ithala Shopping Center e-Ulundi.
Ngiyayibona umshushisi mayikhuluma ngama withdrawal ukuthi ama withdrawal kula kubonakala ukuthi ama withdrawal agcine ngo-2014 ngo November nge-28 azaphinde aba ngo-2015 0319 ngiyakubona lokho okubhalwe la.
I do see what it's being written here, no, what the printout reflects from this page, that the last cash withdrawal was made on the 28th of November 2014, my apologies, point of correction, and then up until, and then the next one was on the 19th of 2015.
Yes.
Ngoba bengishilo nasekuqaleni leli card leli ngokwenziwa yimi ngalenzayo ngokwenziwa kwalo lingelami kodwa umuntu ebelisebenzisa umbali
just like as
bengalisebenzisi leli card.
Just like as I have said it before, I'm the one who opened up this bank account, no bank card. However, I was not the one who was utilizing it. It was only Mbali who was utilizing it.
And furthermore, do you agree that from the 19th of March 2015, after that cash withdrawal of 150 at Ithala Shopping Center, Ulundi, there were no further withdrawals up until 15 July 2015?
Umshushisi uthi ngabe uyavuma yini ukuthi ngemuva kwelanga lange-19 ngenyanga kaMarch ngomnyaka ka-2015 awukaze kukhishweke imali ngaphakathi kwe-card lakho kuze kufinceke ilanga lange-15 ngenyanga kaJuly ngomnyaka ka-2015 la kwakhishwa khona-ke imali elandelayo?
Lalela.
I am listening.
Lokho kubhalwe la ngiyakubona ukuthi bathi kugcine ikhishwe nge-15 03 19 yaphinde yazokhishwa ngeyi-15/07/15 ngo-2015 07/15 so ngiyakubona lokho.
I do see what is being depicted here, that it was that the cash withdrawals were performed on the two different dates. The first one was on the 19th of March 2015. Then the second one was on the 15th of July 2015.
Yes. So in other words, for April 2015, there were no withdrawals. For May 2015, there were no withdrawals. For June 2015, there were no withdrawals. And part of July until 15 July 2015, for those periods, there were no cash withdrawals.
Athi ngabe uyavuma yini ukuthi uqala ke ngo-April kamnyaka 2015, uMay ngomnyaka 2015 noJune ngomnyaka 2015, kuyifinceke lapha ke ngaphambi ukuthi kushayeke i-15 zakaJuly ngomnyaka 2015, akukho la kwakhishwa khona imali.
Yebo ngiyabona ukuthi bathi igcina ukukhishwa nge-2015-03 nge-19 yaze yazokhishwa nge-2015 ngoJuly nge-15 and lokho ngicabanga ukuthi kuliphutha lokuthi umuntu mayengafuni ukuyokhipha imali yakhe noma mayengenayo imali ebank ukuthi lokho kuliphutha lomuntu.
Yes, I do see that, my lord. The last withdrawal was made on the 19th of March during the year 2015, before the one of the 15th of July 2015. That is what is being depicted on this exhibit. However, it does not mean that it was a mistake if a person does not want to go and make a withdrawal from his or her bank account when they have money or when they don't have money.
But how are you surviving you and Bali surviving that period if there are no withdrawals?
Manje kumbuzo uthi ngabe wena noMbali kade niphila kanjani uma kade imali ngakhishwa ngaso lesikhathi?
No, umshushisi engathi mina noMbali. Mina bengishilo ukuthi bengihlala ekhaya.
Please don't say myself and Mbali. I did make mention of the following, that I was staying at home in my homestead.
Isizathu sasiza ukuthi ngihlala ekhaya ingoba ngangiphelelwe umsebenzi.
And the reason for me to relocate to my homestead, it was because of I was out of employment.
Ngangeke ngikwazi ukuyiphilisa kubantu bangaqhubeka ngahlala lapha khona ngahamba ngayohlala ekhaya uma ngibuya ekhaya ngayohlala nomalume eThembisa osebenzayo okuyena umuntu ebeqhubeka nempilo yokuthi mangena eholini ethenge ukudla endlini khona ukuqhubeka ngiphile.
If I had stayed here, I was not going to make ends meet. That is the reason for me as to why I had relocated to my homestead, because of I was out of employment, and by the time I came back, it was when I went to stay with my uncle in Tembisa, because of he was the one who used to buy groceries for us to survive.
I'm sorry. Can we then look at the Standard Bank account? It's exhibit EE in brackets 7, page 22.
Ucala ukuthi umshushisi manje sibuke lapho la kumibukiso yeStandard Bank engaphansi kwa EE7 ibhange la Standard Bank.
So we didn't take
22.
the normal short adjournment. Are we proceeding or are we going to take the normal short adjournment?
Yeah, why not?
I'm sorry, Madam.
Yes, we normally do, don't we?
Oh, okay. It's time for the short adjournment.
Okay.